Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to avoid workflow design mistakes in Monday.com. Many teams set up workflows quickly, but poor design can cause confusion, missed tasks, or slow progress. First, start with a clear plan. Define your project goals, required tasks, and team responsibilities before creating boards. This helps avoid unnecessary columns or boards. Next, use the right columns. Choose columns like status, people, date, numbers, or text based on your workflow needs. Avoid adding columns you won't use. They clutter the board. Keep boards simple. Large and complex boards can confuse your team. Break tasks into smaller boards if needed, like planning, execution, and reporting. Set proper dependencies. Mark tasks that rely on others to finish first. Ignoring dependencies can lead to missed deadlines or bottlenecks. Use automations carefully. Automations save time, but too many can create conflicts. Test automations before fully enabling them. Regularly review workflows. Check completed projects and identify what slowed the team. Adjust boards and columns accordingly. Train your team. Ensure everyone knows how to use boards, update status, and follow procedures. Workflow mistakes often happen because of lack of training. So avoiding workflow mistakes in Monday.com is about planning, simple boards, correct columns, dependencies, tested automations, and team training. Follow these steps and your workflows will run smoothly. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions.